Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to the info list widget presented by the Ultimate Store Kit plugin. The info list is the perfect tool for displaying product info or shop features with a quick content delivery style. The list lets you add a title, icon or logo and a short description of the item list. The layout is simple, minimalistic and direct. You can bring many colors to the list to suit the product image or background theme. With an additional hover color effect, the list looks more interactive and fun to use. Now let's see the backend customizations. Dragging and dropping the info list widget inside the page editor will display the default appearance of the widget. You can already see a hover border effect on the items. From the layout settings, you can select up to 6 columns for the list. Let's see what happens when you choose 4. The layout shrinks down and aligns horizontally. We are short on one item. Let's add it from the item section. Just click on the button here and that's good for now. Back into the layout. You can change the column gap for the spacing between the items. The icon position can be changed as well. No alignment for the top position, but changing to the left or right will give you further alignment options for the icon. Let's place it on top beside the title. Then you can adjust the icon spacing with the rest of the content. This alignment option here is for the content only, the title and the text. Then there are 2 switchers to show or hide the title and text. Lastly, the image size option is for customizing the total pixel of the images. Now in the item section, let's click on the item and see what's inside. There is an icon selector on top, a field for the title, then a title link and a field for descriptions. We already changed the title, let's do the same for the description. Then we can change the icon for a relative one. And if you didn't notice, the item window has a custom background selector at the bottom. Let's carry on the same customizations for the rest of the items. Once we're done here, let's move on to the Style tab. In the first section, you'll find a default border has been set up for the list. We can change the border color to a suitable one. Then let's put the color into the hover background for the list. We could add padding, border radius and box shadow too from the options here. Next, let's change the hover color for the title. Just some deep color from the same color family. Next, let's change the text font by customizing the typography option here. Something crisp and awesome looking. The same goes for the icon. To make it bigger, we can change the size of the typography. Then add a deeper color tone from the same color family to the icon. And that's all it takes to make a nice info list for your e-commerce website. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.